Alright, hello ladies and gents. Welcome to another ZD Toys unboxing video. And for today we are going to unbox the Iron Man Mark 85. Alright, so let's do a quick look at the box itself. So we got the artwork right here for Mark 85. This is for the Avengers Endgame movie, and then it's another one of those unique packaging setup done by ZD Toys here. Another Iron Man Mark 85 logo, portrait on the side, the Avengers cast at the back, some Chinese warnings and labels, and another cool photo of the gang here on the side. Alright, so let's do a very quick unboxing. Alright, so there we have Mark 85 standing tall in our light box, and later on we're gonna take a closer look at this guy, paint wise, articulation, and try to find if we can point out any faults. But for now, I cannot see anything wrong just looking at him. Okay, so there we have it. Mark 85 up close and personal. First impressions on this bad boy, I didn't really expect him to be this good, considering the price point of this one. I mean, it's actually cheaper than his predecessors, price point wise. So I was kind of not expecting it to be this at this quality for its price point, but yeah. First impression is, I must say, it's impressive. I kind of noticed though that there's a kind of powdery something on here. I don't know if it's paint or it looks like paint dust, but yeah, it can be removed by just doing a quick brush. I use soft brush, by the way, just to prevent any abrasions from happening. So okay, first impressions, yeah, again, another great paint job by ZD Toys on this one. I mean, the hot rod cherry red is still impressive, combined with the gold and gun metals on this guy. Yeah, I really can't see any flaws that are really definitive for me to notice. And going back to that particular accessory that we took a look at earlier, this is where it actually goes. So there, no more unsightly holes there at the back. So yeah, paint job wise, I would give this 5 out of 5. I mean, the gold complementing the hot rod cherry red is just freaking awesome. Okay, moving along, let's go with the articulation this time. Alright, so articulation. Let's see how far this guy goes as far as articulation is concerned. Let's start, of course, with a head. You can turn 360. I mean, he doesn't have to do that, but it's good that he can do that. There's a little bit of a up and down movement on the head. Tilt, zero tilt, unfortunately. I mean, I think the neck is too big to make him tilt his head, but no worries. I don't feel that bad for that one. Going down to the shoulder. Okay, let's see. Does this pop out? So the shoulder flaps go up, the shoulder pads go up, but no, it does not pull out, and neither does he have butterfly shoulders. But he does have is bicep movement, which is good. I mean, that could still make pretty good range of motion as far as posing this action figure is concerned. Double bend on the elbow, which is good. Same with the right portion, of course. We got ball joint for the hands. I think I want this to I'm gonna swap this with fist when I put this on display. I'll think about it. Let's see how he looks like when he poses with Pepper Potts rescue armor later on. Okay, so to the torso. Okay, so it doesn't pull down, but there's still a notable movement on the torso, which is not bad. And I like how ZD Toys progressed from their LEDs. This one is not LED like the other. I think it's Mark 50. It's not LED, but I like how they painted the eyes and the arc reactor, so it doesn't look like a dead empty suit. So kudos to ZD Toys for coming up with that innovation. Same with these light panels here. They're supposed to be lit up in the movie, or if this was an LED version, but ZD Toys used a paint that looks like it is lit up even if it's not. Same with this here, and yeah, that's it. And yeah, like I mentioned a little while ago, what they did with a lightning refocuser, that paint job looks like it's lit up even if it's not. So cool innovation there. Okay, going back to the articulation, going down to the torso, or to the legs, I mean. Okay, that pulls down. Let's see. I feel this is a bit flimsy compared to its predecessor, so I'm not really gonna push the limits of this figure. But yeah, that pull down does allow for a little more range in terms of posability that this figure can do. Okay, going down to the knees. Should be double bend. Yep, it is double bend. And the other one too. Cool. And of course the feet is on a ball joint as well. Okay, so that would be a very quick unboxing and review for the Iron Man Mark 85. But before I let you guys go, I'm still gonna put him again in the light box, and I'm gonna attach the lightning refocuser and see how he looks with it this time. So okay, so here we have the Mark 85 in his iconic Endgame pose where he's about to snap his finger and blow Thanos away and his armies. For now, Mark 85 will have to do until I'm saving up for my actual Avengers Endgame Mark 85 figure with the Infinity Gauntlet or Power Gauntlet. So until next time, ladies and gents, stay safe, and I will see you on my next unboxing. Peace.